Ever wish you could ditch those clunky keyboard controls and actually feel your Roblox game? Well, good news, you can use your Thrustmaster T80 racing wheel on Roblox, even though it's not officially supported. Let's get started. First, you'll need to download a program called X360C. Just search for it online and download the version appropriate for your computer. Make sure it's from a trusted source. Extract the downloaded file and run the X360C application. It might ask to create some DLL files. Click Yes. X360C should automatically detect your Thrustmaster T80. If it doesn't, make sure your wheel is plugged in and try restarting the program. Now, the tricky part, mapping the controls. Go through each tab and assign your wheel's axes and buttons to the corresponding Xbox 360 controller inputs. This might take some trial and error to get it just right. Once you're happy with your configuration, make sure to save your settings. Now, launch your Roblox game and test it out. You might need to experiment with the in-game sensitivity settings to get the perfect feel, but you should be able to control your game with your Thrustmaster T80. Enjoy your racing wheel on Roblox.